Hi, English Keeners. Do you want to sound like you've been speaking English for years? Today, we're highlighting 7 of the most current slang words in use in North America right now. These fun expressions will have you sounding like a native speaker in no time. And if that sounds good to you, let's jump in and help you bring your casual English conversations to life. From lit parties to unexpected YOLO moments, listen in as Josh and Maya plan an epic weekend, using the coolest lingo on campus. Okay, let's get into it.
Ugh, I seriously can't take another night in the library. I feel like my brain is too tired to function.
Tell me about it. I was up until like 3 a.m. last night, trying to cram for that math exam next week. I seriously need a break.
Right? I mean, I feel like we've been studying, writing papers, or going to classes nonstop every single day. We're so overdue for some fun.
I couldn't agree more. We just have to have some fun this weekend. Hey, we are still going to the concert on Saturday, right?
Of course! That concert is going to be so lit. You know my favorite band is headlining that night, right? This is exactly what I need to just let loose and not think. Do you know I've literally been counting down the days for this since February?
I feel the same. And I'm pretty sure almost everyone we know is going, which will also be great. The turnout is supposed to be huge. Oh, and that reminds me. We need to get there early to snag a good spot where we can easily see the bands.
So, how are you doing? Are you keeping up? What about the word snag? Snag actually has a few meanings, but in this case it means to get or obtain something by using quick action. And how about lit? Is that new to you? Lit means something is very exciting or energetic. It is especially used when someone is describing a great time at something like a party, or, as in this case, a concert.
Yes, we definitely need to get there early. But what about snacks? We're both pretty low on money lately. If we were to buy any food there, we'd be broke. We should bring our own snacks.
Good point. Tell you what, I'll hit my mom up and see if she can make us a few things. She loves to help, and if she could hook us up with a few snacks that we could sneak in, we'll be in great shape.
Do you know any of these slang words? Broke is a word that describes a complete lack of money, or at least almost none. When Josh says he'll hit up his mom, he isn't going to actually hit her. He means he'll contact her and ask her to help with some snacks. Hit up can also be used to casually mention visiting a place, like, let's hit up Starbucks after class.
Oh, that's a great idea. They don't actually allow you to take your own food into the concert area, so maybe ask her to make something easy to carry and hide. We'll look kinda sus if we try to sneak in bags of chips or something.
Is sus a new one for you? It's short for suspicious and is used when something seems sneaky or against the rules.
Okay, I'll ask her to keep it low-key and simple. But honestly, YOLO, right? We should try to bring at least some fun stuff. It's worth the risk, don't you think so?
Ha ha ha, I do. Let's go for it. YOLO it is. We'll wear loose jackets with big pockets. Worst case is that we get a little lecture from security.
YOLO is a fun one. It stands for You Only Live Once, and it's used to justify taking a risk or doing something a little bold or adventurous, maybe even a little dangerous sometimes.
And after the concert, do you want to bounce over to Alex's place? He told me he's throwing a party, and everyone's invited.
Sounds good to me. Just make sure you don't bail on me at the last minute like you did last time. If you recall, I ended up going by myself and it was a bit awkward.
Oh, come on, that was one time. But I do promise I won't bail. I've been wanting to hit up one of Alex's parties all semester. I'm definitely in this time.
Bounce, like a ball, is a casual term that means to leave one place and go to another. And to bail on someone means to cancel plans at the last minute, leaving someone else alone and often disappointed.
All right, this is going to be epic. I just hope Alex's party lives up to the hype.
Oh, trust me, it will. Alex's parties are legendary, you'll see.
When someone says an event or experience will be epic, they mean it's going to be amazing and memorable. People also say something is hyped when it's highly anticipated or well promoted. Legendary means famous and memorable. All right, Keeners, that's a wrap. Now you've got 7 and a few extra if you caught them, of some of the most popular North American slang expressions in use today for you to bring into your own conversations. So, whether you're at a party, having a coffee, or just relaxing with friends, these expressions will help you fit in with native speakers and sound natural while you're doing it. So go ahead, mix them into your chat and have fun with it. Remember, mastering slang is all about having fun with the language, so don't be shy. And if you learned something new and if you enjoyed the video, we would love it if you hit the like button. And if you would like to get notified whenever we have a new video, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell. Have fun with these slang words. Try using them and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any ideas for future videos. Catch you next time.